Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Ryobi Sliding Miter Saw. First, prioritize safety by always wearing eye protection and hearing protection. Before making any cuts, ensure your material is firmly clamped down. Take a moment to understand the saw's key components, like the blade guard and the dust port, which are crucial for safe and efficient operation. Proper setup is the first step to successful projects. Now let's set up for basic straight cuts. Place your Ryobi miter saw on a sturdy, flat surface. For standard crosscuts, adjust the miter scale to 0 degrees. When cutting wider materials, utilize the sliding feature by pulling the saw head forward, engaging the blade, and pushing it smoothly through the workpiece. This technique ensures a clean, accurate cut across the entire board. Moving on to more advanced cuts, your Ryobi Sliding Miter Saw excels at both miter and bevel angles. You can adjust the miter scale for precise angled cuts, often up to 50 degrees left or right. For tilted cuts, set the bevel angle, which typically goes up to 45 degrees. Combining these two adjustments allows you to create intricate compound angles for various woodworking projects, like crown molding. Finally, let's discuss maintenance and best practices to keep your saw running smoothly. Regularly clean the dust port and around the blade to maintain optimal performance and visibility. Always check your blade for sharpness. A dull blade can cause tear out and kickback, so replace it as needed. For consistent results on multiple pieces, utilize a stop block, ensuring every cut is exactly the same length.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.